everyone, welcome back to our JavaScript journey. In the last video, we covered loop control statements. Today, we're diving into arrays, one of the most essential concepts in programming. Arrays lets us store multiple values in a single variable, making it easier to work with large sets of data. Let's get started. First of all, what is an array? In simple terms, an array is a special variable that can hold more than one value at a time. Think of it as a list, like a grocery list. Each item in that list is a piece of data, and you can access any item by its position in the list. Let's create our first array. Open your code editor, and in your script.js file, follow along with me. Let's declare an array. Type the following code and save it. Here we have created an array called fruits that holds 3 items: apple, banana, and cherry. Each of these items has an index starting from 0, so apple is at index 0, banana is at index 1, and cherry is at index 2. To access an item in an array, we use the array's name followed by the item's index in square brackets. Let's see this in action. Type console.log fruits and 1 between brackets and save it. Now, check your console in the browser. You should see banana because it's at index 1 in the fruits array. Now, let's add a new item to our array. Type fruits.pushOrange and then log the fruits array to the console by typing console.log fruits. This will add orange to the end of the array. To remove the last item, use fruits.pop and log the array again. You will see that orange has been removed. Push and pop are powerful methods for adding and removing elements from the end of an array. One of the reasons arrays are so useful is because we can loop through them. Let's use a for loop to go through our fruits array. Type this code with me. This loop will print each fruit in the fruits array. Check the console to see all the items listed one by one. Recapitulation. Today, we learned how to create an array, access items in an array, add and remove items, and loop through an array. In our next video, we'll explore objects in JavaScript. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.